Here's Jayden.
Spaz.
Leave her alone. Building the Demolition Lab final layer before he detonates. Oh, can he do it? Or is it gonna topple? Come on, Jayden, you can do it. Oh my gosh, it's pretty wobbly. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God. Please, Lord. Please, Lord.
I'd pull your sleeves back for this one so you don't accidentally hit it.
From the beginning to the end.
Come on, baby. I want to see you.
I almost see a knockdown on my face.
No, I want to see you. Oh my gosh. I want to see you detonate it. Oh my gosh. Gentle, gentle. Come on, you can do it, baby. Gentle. Oh my gosh. Oh, you did it. Oh, you want to detonate it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Make sure you do a countdown.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Detonate. Oh! Oh! Good job, buddy.
That was awesome. Hey.